Good morning, colleagues, internal and external colleagues, friends and visitors. Yeah. My name is Sehlare Makgetlaneng, not Tokosane Semelane. Our colleague, Tokosane Semelane, Acting Director of Research, is attending a crucial meeting elsewhere. And given the fact that he is not here, I have been asked to chair this seminar. He's not here, and as such, I will chair this seminar. I'm asking for your cooperation. I think I should make some few remarks before we start. Those who are here for the first time, our organization, Africa Institute for South Africa, is a public research organization or research council established by an act for South African Parliament. Its mandate, among others, is to produce and distribute knowledge on African affairs, to promote understanding, awareness of African affairs among South Africans and international community. The organization was established in the 1960s, the year of Africa. Our topic here today is it takes a village, but it starts with parents. This is a seminar on the root cause of child abuse, molestation, and violence against the children. To do justice to this topic, we have distinguished speakers here with us who will address us on this topic. One of them is our acting chief executive officer, Professor Pindile Lukele Olorunji. And the second speaker is Dr. Amelia Klein. She is a consultant, United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, the Department of Social Development, and Kulisa Management Services. I would like to introduce our two distinguished speakers. I will not start with our chief. I will start with our external colleague, Dr. Amelia Klein. She holds a Bachelor of Arts in Social Work, cum laude, with the University of Witwatersrand, RSW, and PhD also with the University of Witwatersrand. She used to be a chef and ran her own catering company. In 1997, she catered at a residential children's home. It was a function that was to change her life. As 18 months later, at the age of 36, she hung up her apron and enrolled for a social work degree and completed it with a cum laude distinction in 2002. She commenced postgraduate study thereafter. Her Master of Arts in Social Work by Research was upgraded to a PhD, Doctor of Philosophy, in July 2006. Her thesis, The Demographic Profile and Psychosocial History of a Group of Convicted Perpetrators of the Rape of Children under the age of 3 years, was completed in August 2010. She is currently in private practice. Many of her professional interventions concern trauma intervention, stress management, and child sexual abuse. She has undertaken consultancy work for the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, the Department of Social Development, and Kulisa Management Services. And I will now introduce you to our Chief in Command, Professor Pindile Lukele Olurunji. She is the acting Chief Executive Officer at this prestigious organization, Africa Institute of South Africa. She holds a PhD in plant breeding virology from the University of Georgia in Athens, United States, 1990. Master of Science in plant breeding from Ahmadu Bello University, Zaria, Nigeria, 1982, and Bachelor of Science in Agriculture from University of Botswana and Swaziland in 1978. At one time, the two countries have one university. She managed 3 research institutions at the Agricultural Research Council of South Africa from 2002 to 2008, after which she was appointed as a Director of Research and Innovation at the University of Venda for Science and Technology from 2009 to 2010. And this is my brief introduction of 2 speakers. I will then call Chief Executive Officer of Africa Institute of South Africa to make a presentation, and I will ask her to respect time. Thank you very much.
Thank you.